Hello guys, welcome back to our Arduino. Today we are going to make a temperature and humidity sensor with the DHT11. So the components we require are 3 jumper cables, a DHT11, a mini breadboard and an Arduino Uno. Let's see the wiring. So before the wiring, we should also learn what are the pins of the DHT11. So the leftmost or the first pin is the VCC, which can be connected to 3.3 volts or 5 volts on the Arduino. Next is the data pin, which transfers data. And the third pin is unnecessary for us. And the fourth one is the ground. Now let's see the wiring. These are the connections. So we have connected the VCC to the 5 volt, the data pin to pin number 13 and the ground to the ground. Now let's see the code. Okay guys, so now we are doing the coding for our project. To get this code, you need to go to Sketch, include libraries, manage libraries. In manage libraries, you should search for simple DHT. And then in the file, when you go to examples, you'll get simple DHT here, examples from custom libraries. Then you can choose this DHT11 and then you'll get this code. So now we are going to modify this code. First, here we should change this to 13 because we have connected it to 13, and we should make this to 9600. Now we don't need this here, so I'm just going to remove that. And now I'm going to do serial and now I'm going to type temperature and humidity data, and then we don't need this serial print sample. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it, and now here I'm going to add delay. 400. Now let's verify this, and it'll take some time for this, so let's wait. So it's done. Now we'll check the output.